Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy Watch FE and Galaxy Watch 4. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both smartwatches come with 580 water grade and eSIM. Display features. Both Galaxy Watch come with 1.2 inches Super AMOLED display. Next, compare the hardware features. Both devices are powered by the Exynos chipset and the same hardware features. Let's compare the battery features. Both watches come with up to 14 hours of battery life. Both two smartwatches come with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and GPS. Next, compare the sensor features. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe.